Okay, guys, this is Pearly Gardiner. Targeted individual Australia mind control victim got sold out to the Australian Security Intelligence Organization, along with the other 5 intelligence agencies in Australia in the year 2000 via my honey trap first ex-husband, NH, mind control and targeted individual victim. Anyway, guys, this is part 2. I don't know why my my cyber perp minion surveillance team cut it 16. So I have to make part 2 of this TI diary update. Are you really serious? Okay, so anyway, guys, yeah, I was saying give what is due to Caesar and give what is due to God. I was about to say that, right? Oh, anyways, getting all of my brain frequency wave now, emotional synaptic response, more. Okay, guys, this is the part 2. And today, okay, what I did today. Okay, I got this cleaning. Okay, I got this cleaning. I will not mention the company name. I just, but my boss in this one is, oh, gay boss. So, and he gave me one client every Thursday. So I think this week I will clean the house client on Friday, and that's now 4 weeks. 4 weeks now. So of course, technically it's from my handler, from the budget, from the SEO. So now I'm cleaning, and today I got a new client from him, and I did it today for 2 hours and 1 hour travel, and that is paid. Anyway, so it's in, wow, their handler, Melbourne Street, Concord. Well, yeah, you know that I love Melbourne, correct? The place to be. Where do broken hearts go? Melbourne, right? Okay, so and then so when I got there, but I already asked her if she has a dog, and she said, yeah, I have 2 dogs. And I said, oh, are they big dogs? Hardmind team and their handler, of course, yeah, you have to verify everything. So how did I went with the dogs? Because I have fear with dogs, right? I mean the big ones, not the small one. Yeah. So I was there, and yeah. So medium dogs. I forgot what's the breed of the dogs. Yeah. And of course, the reason why I got phobia with the dog, because when I was in the Philippines, I think before I met my ex-husband Honey Trap, NH, or maybe after that, and maybe before. 1995. Yeah, my own dog Snoopy bit me in my eye, just right on the lower of my eyelid. So that's it happened to me. So that's why I got phobia with dogs, because my own dog bit me. Imagine that. Yeah. Anyway, so she's Australian. The client. She's nice. And also, thank you, of course. Oh my God, the overused word, the irony of it all. The overused word, the irony of it all. I have to thank my handler in the SEO. Yeah, taxpayers' money fund anyway, that I still get cleaning job. Yeah. Anyway, so that's the update today. I did 2 hours cleaning, 1 hour travel, and then by the way, I also dropped before I went to the client house. I popped by at the what you call this one, Ampol gasoline station, and I used the voucher that my Minerva case manager job agency gave me, and I have $20 left over from the $50 voucher that she gave me. What, she didn't give me that, right? That's the fund from the SEO fund, and so I used the $20 and paid $10 cash because I got $30 petrol. So that's it. And then after I cleaned, I went straight to West Point. Of course, the probably the Hive Mind team already read my active memory, my thought process, my active short term memory that I'm going to the CBA Commonwealth Bank. I did queued there, yeah. I queued, and then the bloody perp staff from the Commonwealth Bank, she put three more people in front of me. I just didn't say anything. I just left, and I just went to National Bank and did the deposit on my other bank. Yeah, so that's what happened. And after that, I went to Kohl's. Oh, I went to Kohl's and their handler, right? I went to Kohl's. Okay, I have to thank you again because this one, Fat Blaster Weight Loss Shake. I think yesterday I was chatting with mom and I said to her like, oh, my dinner I had avocado and egg sandwich for my dinner. I said because my shake what do you call that, weight loss shake already finished. I said I finished it, so I can't have this one because I usually have this as dinner. Like this is my dinner in the evening. I only eat. I don't know. Every morning I have. This is confession, but of course the Hive Mind team and my surveillance and my handler knew about it. That every morning I have two boiled egg and pancit canton. Yeah, and that's like from between 8 and 9. I have my breakfast, and then I have to count 5 to 6 hours before lunch. So that's gonna be like 3 o'clock. Actually, it's already 4 o'clock. I haven't had my lunch yet. So between three and 4, I will have my lunch. And I have lunch yesterday. I had the prawn and Lebanese bread. And today I will have chicken because I bought chicken at Kohl's. Okay, when I was at Kohl's, so this was on sale. Wow. Because the surveillance team, even without the surveillance team on my online activities, Messenger, WhatsApp, email, SMS, of course, the Hive Mind team and my handler knew, can read my bloody thought, my brain frequency, my thought, what I'm thinking, so they knew that I'm going to buy um, this Fat Blaster weight loss, shake. So, oh my God, it's gonna